Right now I want to show you how to connect your RAM-B-202-MA4 into the custom cradle that's included with the Magellan unit. I have here a Magellan Maestro 4050 and I'm going to show you how to take this and connect it to that. So firstly what you need to do is take this plate off the back, which is the connector for the suction cup. So this part here we don't need, so we'll put that out of the way. Now what you're left with is the cradle in the unit. So I'm going to take the unit out of the cradle so that we can just work with the cradle. Now this here is the 4-hole pattern on the back of the cradle, which matches up to the 4-hole pattern on the RAM plate. This RAM plate's the RAM-B-347. What it does is it just connects straight over the top of those holes there, and using these screws you can just put it straight in. So let's just throw one of these in here just so you can see what I'm talking about. Just get that started. There it goes. Screw that in. There we go. So there's just one of the 4 screws. So you get that one in there, and then obviously you continue around with all 4. Then once you're done, you now have a RAM ball off of your cradle. Very important, because once the ball's on there, you can now take an arm. This is the standard size arm. You have 3 different lengths, and then any sort of base, and just connect it all together. I'm just going to loosen this off. Put that in there. As I tighten up the arm, I'll stand this up a bit. There. So now you have a different type of mount on the back of this cradle. So this is something you can screw down on a surface to mount your GPS, or you can actually now remove this arm here, or loosen the arm and remove this base and grab a different type of base, put a suction cup on it if that's what you prefer, put that down there, put the suction cup somewhere and give it a twist. So that is equal to that on the Magellan. Let me get that back in the shot. That is equal to that in regards to a RAM mount and the Magellan cradle. So there you have it. That's how you put together a RAM-B-202-MA4 cradle plate for the Magellan series GPS.